Welcome to the Kitchen of Curiosity, foodies and flavor enthusiasts. Today, we're about to embark on a culinary journey that goes beyond the ingredients and recipes. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of food psychology. Have you ever wondered why certain foods have an irresistible allure, leaving you hungry for more, even when you've just had a satisfying meal? Well, get ready to uncover the science behind our cravings as researchers reveal the secrets lurking in our taste buds and brain circuits. From the sizzle of the pan to the science on the plate, it's time to satisfy your intellectual appetite and explore the delicious mysteries that make us crave certain foods. So, grab your aprons and prepare for a feast of knowledge and flavor like never before. So be sure to subscribe because it really does help the channel, and hit that notification bell, and let's dive deep into the delectable world of why some foods leave us craving for more.
Researchers at Buck find a potential explanation for why consuming delicious but unhealthy food increases our want for more. For a variety of causes, people overeat and gain weight. It doesn't help that tasty, high-calorie food is readily available almost anywhere, at any time. Researchers at Buck have uncovered the first explanation for why certain compounds found in cooked or processed foods, known as advanced glycation end products, or AGEs, increase hunger and challenge our capacity to resist or choose healthful options when it comes to eating. The study's principal author, Buck professor Pankaj Kapahi, Ph.D., stated, "This research, done in tiny nematode worms, has immense implications for human dietary choices and the propensity to overeat certain foods." Although processed modern diets enhanced with AGEs are enticing to consume, our knowledge of their long-term health effects is quite limited. The work was just released in the eLife journal. Evolutionary viewpoint and characteristics of AGEs. The study's lead author, Munyesh Mutayin Shanmugam, Ph.D., a postdoctoral research fellow in the Kapahi group, said, "We store the excess calories as fat that we use to survive times of fasting. Genes that cause us to enjoy delicious foods, especially those with increased sugar content, were preferred by natural selection. However, what mechanism makes it so difficult to refuse them? Metabolic byproducts known as AGEs are produced when a portion of a protein, lipid, or nucleic acid mixes with sugar. In addition to being produced naturally as cells metabolize carbohydrates, AGEs are also produced by baking, frying, and grilling, and they are present in a lot of processed foods. According to Shanmugam, AGEs cause the brown color that occurs during cooking, which makes food look and smell delicious. Basically, what we're finding is that AGEs increase the appeal and difficulty of food." The health consequences of the Maillard reaction. The Maillard reaction is the favored term among chefs for the browning event that happens when heat interacts with sugar and protein. As a result, hundreds to thousands of alluring AGEs are formed. However, despite the Maillard reaction's well-known capacity to enhance food flavor, the chemicals it produces have a disastrous effect on the body. They contribute to the development of blood vessel stiffness, hypertension, renal disease, cancer, and neurological issues through oxidative damage and inflammation. Kapahi, whose lab studies the effects of nutrients on health and illness, stated that the buildup of these metabolic byproducts in multiple organs is likely one of the main causes of aging in multiple organs in the body as a whole. Advanced glycation products cannot be detoxified after they have formed, according to Shanmugam. It is not possible to undo the process of toasting white bread to turn it back into white. As the body's capacity to eliminate AGEs diminishes with aging, the statement, "Similarly, there is no way to reverse the AGEs," adds even another connection between AGEs and age-related illness. Results of the research and dietary consequences. The allure and devastation inflicted by AGEs were too great even for the microscopic worms in the Kapahi lab to resist. In addition to spreading illness and shortening lifespans, researchers found that these chemicals made the worms more hungry for more of the same. The purpose of the study was to determine the mechanism by which ages promote preferred overeating. Upon purifying a few well-studied ages, the researchers discovered 2 of them that enhanced eating, which helped them identify the molecular signaling system responsible for overeating in normal, healthy worms. To learn more about the signaling process, they looked at one of the chemicals further. They demonstrated how an AGE known as MGH1 mediated the increase in food intake caused by a specific mutation known as GLOD4. Subsequent investigation identified the tyramine-dependent pathway as the cause. Their research is the first to pinpoint the signaling mechanism that particular ages molecules use to promote neurodegeneration and feeding. Additionally, they discovered that the lifespans of mutant worms lacking the ability to handle even naturally occurring ages are reduced by about 25 to 30%. Researchers are expanding the investigation to include mice in order to examine the relationship between ages and fat metabolism. According to Kapahi, understanding this signaling pathway may help us understand overeating due to modern diets rich in ages. Our research highlights the role that the accumulation of ages plays in various disorders, like brain obesity and neurodegeneration. Overall, we believe that the rise in obesity and other age-related disorders around the world can be related to restricting the buildup of ages. According to Kapahi, understanding this signaling pathway may help us understand overeating due to modern diets rich in ages. Shanmugam learns a very important lesson from his efforts. The food is trying to control us, we are not controlling how much food we eat, he declared. Shanmugam and Kapahi's perspective on their own diets has altered as a result of this and other lab investigations. Both of them engage in intermittent fasting, which allows the body to use fat rather than carbohydrates. According to Kapahi, there are easy steps that anyone can take to lessen the amount of ages in their bodies. These steps include cooking with wet heat instead of dry, such as steaming instead of frying or grilling, eating whole grains, the fiber helps maintain stable glucose levels, and adding acid to food while it's cooking. This slows the reaction that causes ages to form. We could be more mindful that we do have the ability to make healthy choices when we eat. We are naturally drawn to delicious food.
And that concludes our flavorful journey. I hope you enjoyed unlocking the secrets behind why certain foods tantalize our taste buds and leave us yearning for seconds. If you found this exploration as fascinating as I did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow food enthusiasts. And for more savory insights into the world of food psychology, make sure to subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell. We'll have an exciting lineup of culinary adventures ahead, and we'll continue to blend science with the art of cooking. Thank you for joining us in the Kitchen of Knowledge. And be sure to check out our affiliates over in the description section. Remember, your support keeps our curiosity simmering, and we can't wait to serve up more delicious discoveries in our future episodes. Feel free to leave your comments below. Tell us about your food cravings, or share the dishes that always leave you wanting more. Until next time, keep cooking, keep craving, and most importantly, keep exploring the incredible science behind the flavors that make our mouths water. Bon appetit, and see you in the next episode of the Medical Minute.